Uno, dos, tres.
Welcome to EA Sports live coverage of the Scottish Cup quarter-final. Today it's Aberdeen against Dundee United.
We have every chance for a cracking game today because this is the type of game that we're going to see in this fixture. It should be a terrific game. We're at the quarter-final stage and we're underway. Wolf and Smith. One back very quickly. It's Smith. Oh, in goes the cross. Well, the danger was considerable, but it's over now. It's confidently done to dink the ball into a teammate like that. Come in well here. Timed his approach and got the ball. Wolf.
No!
Good movement to get to it. Wolf. He's had a go. I know this coach wants his team to shoot, but Wolf, what a talented player he is.
Yeah, boy.
It was a poor one, or whether the fact that nobody made any movement in the middle, they'll be arguing about that in the dressing room afterwards, probably. This is an excellent run. Wolf. That's a vital stop. Good, and he's given the free kick. Tried to play the advantage, couldn't see one in the end, and I think he was right. He's going to get yellow here, Alan.
Yeah, I think so. None of us were expecting anything but that.
Good one. Into the face of the opposition. Crosses in. Oh, he's put it into the goalkeeper's gloves. Wolf. When this quarter-final was drawn, we thought it would be a good contest. That's the way it's been. And nothing between the sides at half-time. The raw passion you expect from the Scottish Cup. Very enjoyable atmosphere.
Biff bang walloped at times, and loads of individual tussles that have been fascinating to watch.
Attacking well here. If you shoot from there, Alan, you've got to find the top corner. What a talented player he is. Home side. Wolf. Superb shimmy then.
Well, when you want a player to beat a defender in a one-on-one, he is that boy.
Bloody bastard!
A change for both teams here.
Uno, dos,
Different type of challenge for the defenders here, but they can use the snow in tackles like that. We might get an update on that injury now from our man Jeff Shreves. Jeff.
Yes, it looked like in that last challenge he took a heavy blow to his upper thigh. There's no sign of it being taken off yet.
And Jeff right up to the minute, as always. The own goal, yeah, that's what it is.
Well, it comes with the territory, doesn't it, when you're in that kind of position?
Well, let's take another look at the goal. The injured player back on. He looks okay now, which is great.
Yeah, I think he does. He doesn't seem to be in after effects, and he'll be a big boost for them now.
It's a return ball. The home team about to make a change as the injured player is able to resume. No substitution required. Wolf.
Much to split these two sides.
Well, we know he can shoot from this sort of distance. And he's met it with his head. The keeper caught out there. He reached it but couldn't keep it out. They have scored a really good goal.
Well, they've got power, they've got height, and when the corner's that accurate, only one end result.
A good look here, again, by the replay of the goal. Difficult situation. Wolf. There's the defending, he's away. Here's the shot, and they've scored. Well, the striker's been running around, so he must be warm. The goalkeeper looked frozen, didn't he? Frozen to the spot.
He did. I mean, it's probably the hardest position in these conditions because you Lucky he haven't got the blood pumping, and he looked a little stiff to react there.
And the score is Wolf. Brilliant football from this team. That's good work to keep the ball under the challenge. The guy could switch the play to and came up with the pass as well. Excellent. Some players limbering up for the away team. Substitution in the offense. Change of direction. Brilliant balance.
Well, completely dumbfounded the defender there.
And it seems as though it's for tactical reasons. This could be a case of the player being taken off here because he looks very fatigued. Very cutely done with the back heel. Well, he was set for the shot to use the ousted midfield, but good passing from this team. Murray. Wolf. On the ball now, but definitely looking the worse for wear. This great cup run is going on. They've got the right result here in the quarter-final.